Yeah, people. Welcome. Clark TV to your brain again. Let's see one of favorite person I know, man. Uncle and Auntie Ethan. What we are dealing? Yeah, people. Welcome. Clark TV to your brain again. Let's see one of favorite person I know, man. Uncle and Auntie Ethan. What we are dealing to them, boss?
Well, we are dealing with one look. I think most Jamaicans would know the owner, you know. Saltfish and baked bean and franks. Cook up in a one accord, you know.
Franks?
Yes, man.
Like a male name?
Yeah. Everybody know Franks, man. Everybody know Franks.
Well, we are going to see it work out today.
Yeah, man. So, we are dealing there now.
We are going back in a Camille dumpling them same way.
Same way. Nah, left out that.
Yeah.
That's a foundation food.
So we never have no money for buy the aisle, you know, but me that say, me that come up with the idea so we could have used the fat from a saltfish and fry.
No, me never said that yet.
And make the aisle. What? How much franks in there? What me pot, man?
5.
Them they look like a Frankfurter and a Frank them there.
Hey man, anything you want to call it.
Well, that must can deal with the thing today still. So you like the program so far?
Well, the program sell off. It sell off because, you know, we look about porridge for you them this morning and thing.
Yeah, me I tell us that the porridge go on, man.
And
them enjoy the porridge.
We there look about some food, you know, because Saturday we don't really need my food yard, you know.
Yeah.
We just deal with that thing out so and we good. Feed there.
See, it look a baked bean and then look a thing there, you know.
Yes, man, and then I toppings, man.
Maggie pack in it again.
Yeah, all purpose.
Yeah.
These are the magic one. We don't use nothing else but that. Or just the all purpose we did it. Having the comprise of every little thing, you know.
And people, me a thank you again. Me a big up because we're in 800s, you know.
Yeah, man. So, me big up Miss Snablet, man, because Miss Snablet and my best friend that in the whole world, brother, she subscribe and everything and do everything and I watch
and
the
I
thing.
enjoy the video them.
And she enjoy the video them and things. So we there going with the thing, you know, so I hope for the best. And just, you know, work from this onwards.
Yeah. And people, yeah, congratulations and thanks again for continue to push the thing cause with the 800 and little bit, you know. So just continue shove the thing so we can go further. So you see not a struggle with one little way name there.
Go people cover fast.
Yeah. Hey, tell the people about my porridge taste this morning.
Very nice.
People, I want to know, are the great you see not this? Are the first you see not drink porridge from him barn? Every week we look after porridge. You know, see him love squeeze up his face? Are the first you ever drink porridge? I hear you say the porridge nice, so we not leave off a bulgar. Bulgar gonna be with main porridge out here.
Not even works porridge.
Why else you don't like to cook?
Oaks porridge.
Oaks?
Mackerel and rice.
What are you
We don't know any oaks.
Curry chicken.
Say? Oaks porridge or oats porridge?
Oats porridge.
Oh. And mackerel and rice.
Curry chicken.
So you don't want another food today?
No, I'm not eat selfish.
Well, you never drink porridge, you know.
Are you drinking?
So make us see what you have going
on. No, I make porridge, I drink it, but overall, I don't eat. I make ackee selfish.
Alright, well, we say you say not. So
just
take care and go and enjoy yourself, my boy. So people, thank you again for the type of support you want to give away. You know. And just continue to share the content them with our friends and family and things. So, you know, so we're there. And we have to ensure so we uplift the community and make the place nice and comfortable and enjoyable for the family overseas, cross the seas, under sea, all these things. So just stay tuned. Wait and let me see how the potter are going. People.
You see Frank saying solo?
See it there? Let me see how Frank all a boil That's the man I've been up. Planting. Yeah, you know, say, Auntie and Uncle Ethan at it again, as I said earlier on. So we squeeze in the additional material where then classify as seasoning if we go with the baked bean there.
Yeah.
So you know, say, and a
Jamaican
normal thing today.
Yeah.
You know, and people, we near the final part of November, but here we now want to just take care of yourself and be safe in every aspect. Because you know, so this world is not normal. You see me? And you know, brother Alde in a place here, you know, I want to know, say, a straight, because I know no one hear my brother Ethan at the thing today. So I want to just go and stay tuned, because it's a nice as usual. So just big up on yourself, people. Uncle Sammy, big up yourself, although you're not there today. But you're not going to be able to eat piece of frank and saltfish. So. And you know, so when we cook out as you know, people, let me tell you what we don't do. We don't left food for nobody. You see, you have to come right as I come eat it. You get me? Yeah,
it's not a takeout.
Yeah, it's not a takeout thing.
Right here.
A ball of paradise and the people that must support the thing and them something that them thing that we are work with. So just continue work with the thing that we are dealing with my people, because you know we want to make this a be good salvation. Yeah. So big up on yourself. Yeah, people. So the thing you know, come to boilation. Yeah. 100 degree.
Yeah.
Water boiling, so you know, say all things we have to do with chemical and these things boil out. I want to see how Frank been up. Yeah. And people, see Uncle Ethan here, a step in a dumpling. Is a new vessel, is a deal with the flour, Uncle Ethan?
Yeah, over my yard, we go feed it.
Yeah, because this look like it bounce off the whole of flour.
One time.
Yeah.
So when pot start boil,
go ahead, you can't say what you say, man. Yeah.
There I go on the thing.
And some of them call me dumping there on the need in that place, you know. My family bless up, you know. We need some more of them flour. Last week, I tell you some belly. Bang!
Yeah.
And I need to call me dumpling them. So people don't know so we are doing thing, you know. And we're there, so I make sure so everything work out right. Yeah. So just remember, just stay tuned and just enjoy the rest of the video. Them remember, see some nice videos we are doing, you know. All the previous videos, them man, you just go and enjoy them, man. And just watch them. You know. Some jokes in it, you know, but you see the jokes, them are some smart jokes. And a regular nothing joke. When I think about them and hear them, you know, so them joke are not normal. Yeah, so just continue. Listen to the thing and just learn more from the thing and say the local youth them will leave back, cause you know say them youth all of them get them porridge already. And you know say the flour and them thing them a go and play them train this morning, you know, and see them the same way. Them now ease up done. You see me? And we love that about them because we take them out of trouble and keep them out of trouble. Because you know the environment is normal. So stay tuned. Yeah, Uncle Ethan.
Yeah, Jamaican style, you know?
Thing dumping them.
Some kegs and thing now.
Some people don't inquire, say, boy, why I just pay flour alone when I cook? Tell them.
Well, everywhere we turn in Jamaica is rice, you know?
Yeah.
When a man go buy a box food, it's rice. You have to request the food. So when we get the opportunity to eat some dumpling, we just eat some dumpling because we know tomorrow, big Sunday, is rice and peas.
Again.
You see me, I say? So we have to incorporate the thing. And I know some man are going to talk about eat food and talk about all different quality things. You have to eat two dumplings.
Yes, if the food clean, everything great with me, you know.
Yes.
Because we have to eat food and make sure say our body strong. And them your food there, you don't know.
Oh.
And them your food there, our father and them the
and
people
there. And 4 parents feed pan.
So
And
when
them
you
live till about 200 hard and all them sitting there 100 hard.
afternoon, yeah.
You see me I say? So we can't
People,
dip
when you
on
see
it.
them boy there, when you see them, I saw them ramp all time, you know. Watch all the one red rat in pan the tire and can't hardly manage the ramping. Yeah, Ethan, we have to go and do a thing done.
Yes,
cause-
sir. We have to go and do a thing.
Yeah,
Better than day in a star, car.
sort out the dumpling them.
Yeah.
For real. Flour are well needed, you know, man. You see.
We need it and then put it on make it set.
Like
So
foul.
Carmel, yeah, so Carmel stay. You have to just give Carmel in time for just set. Because water in the flour, you know. So make it just set. That means when my boil now, it just boil. So you know this have to boil a little longer than the ordinary flour, you know. Because the Carmel have to cook.
And people wanna big up on yourself, you know. As when I say, we just continue to support, you see.
Yeah, man, big up
I
all
see
it.
all of them little youth they want to see there. I stretch them mind, you know. Stretch them belly, cause you know where them there next hour from now. And I pat here. So just stay tuned. Big Head, you must have something to say. Why you have so much band on your hand? Where it signify?
Everything. Brass.
Get vexed.
That you want? You want a small dumpling?
Put one hot one right across the mouth. So jump him out of pot. Yeah. In hand, so your complexion.
People, we have to suspend all anger management this morning, you know, because they send them in a work with them thing there. Anger management believes say hunger indiscipline alone me deal with that. Me I remind him say me don't deal with indiscipline and out discipline. I just discipline me deal with.
Hey, move over, pot.
People, that's been looking for that thing. Mine make them out. Mine make
All
them
right,
out.
all right, all right, all right, all
That's
right,
saying on a girl.
all right.
Me here, boss. Me here, boss.
Yeah, people,
Me here, boss.
we're there again. I deal with the thing.
Yeah.
And we have an important topic to discuss today with Brother Al and Ethan. What do you think about the bullying in school? What do you think the concept of how these things come about? And what about it, you say, when I right?
Well, I'm not going to tell you the origin
Yeah.
of bullyism,
Alright,
but
go ahead, boss.
but
Go ahead, boss. You lead.
that's something will pop up in a black people culture where we normally never have that. We usually have back in the day before modernization, warriors and everything, and everybody knows say warrior deal with the wars between tribes and everything. You understand what I'm saying? We're not gonna know our tribe to define.
But Ethan, the bullying in high school are one of the biggest issues.
Are the biggest issue
at
right
this
now.
point in time. Because you know,
and it's not right.
if you look on anyone, you look a young child them come in at daytime, or anyone of children them come home, them experience some form of bullying, you know. Some of them not tell them parents.
Yeah,
you know.
that's true. That's true.
Over a period of time, it
It
can
develops.
affect them. That's enough to have interest to go to school and them something there.
Getting at them psyche and thing.
Yeah.
You see me I say, and most of the time they bully them are the biggest cover them.
But let me tell you still what me believe that the bullying start from, you know. The bullying start from the mindset of the parents and the presentation of how the parents them live in our presence.
In the eyes of the
Because
child.
bully not only come with the youth them have major size, you know. It come from the mind and the confidence of youth them to try to do harm to other children
Yeah,
for nothing
yeah.
at all. So the bullying one of the era that when me look upon in terms of with the boy,
Yeah.
how the youth then come by being that. Because if you get up every day and you fight in front of your child, you and your wife or you and your spouse.
You set up a walking time bomb.
Yeah.
And you not even realize because when you see how we live and when you live how we learn.
And
You
when
see me
him
I
go to
say?
school, the parents, the teachers, them cannot talk to
No,
him.
cannot.
If
Because-
somebody touch all him boot, a problem.
Yeah.
You get me?
Kind
Somebody go near him bag, a problem.
Don't send the cops a concept in him head.
Alright. Because here I know, we have all some little reality where take place in our society, you know. You have some of the youth them decide upon the new venture of music where take place. We say at the back of the class,
Yeah.
then dance.
No subject.
Then no subject. You get me? These are for them interests where them are dealing. They must show you how much education have no importance.
Yeah.
Right? And this are surface shows the schools. And this is something where can affect the child by you are trying to put the child in a rightful position with the teachers them and
Yeah.
something and the youth then have no interest in a school. Because our nerd here tell me say no. The main name for you is to not have any subject. I don't know the song, you know. How the song go big head? You know the song? DJ it, me hear. People, nothing you will life. Let me hear him big
Our
head.
talk look the part them where you know.
How the song go?
Go and talk to him and remember something.
Yeah. So Ethan, that I think what we have to look on with the bullying.
Yeah.
Right? And it affect a whole heap
A
of
whole heap,
youth.
because a lot of things set out in the open space where it's not only negative, it's impossible for your kids feed upon them the kind of music there and not be effective.
Yeah, for real. And the youth them take on to the music, you know, sir?
Yeah, because when them go off at the beat, you know, and they realize the lyrics are the main content of the music.
Because you have that resignate now your child years. I tell you, say, boy, you know want a subject, you know go to school, and when you just go to school, you're there back at class. You see me?
You see me I say?
People, these things is not right, you know.
Yeah. And it does right now the youth them face and it's sad.
People, see where the flower them there, you know. Some reasonable size dumpling them still, you know, so I line up to deal with them. And it's all fish. This look like about half dozen of them flower me a beat like last time, you know. Although it hold me straight through. So when you just look out and stay tuned still. Right? And big up on yourself all the time. Respect. Yes, brother, I see a whole time in a couple of minutes into protecting and saving the souls. So that is amazing. But where I want to put you in idea, I want to highlight some of the intricacies and things where you don't able to want or advise the individual, you know, or well them are able to pursue a job, or if them have a job, or if they just stay in a job and not to leave the job unless them have a better job and anything. What's your opinion on it? Your take?
Okay, my opinion on the whole matter of job or work or whatever the term may be is this. Seek ye first the kingdom of God and his righteousness, and all things shall be added unto you.
So you have to go with that
Yeah man, you have to
as
go with
your
that.
armor.
Because in going with that now, you come to your purpose.
Yeah, and your reason.
Your purpose and your reason for being here on earth. We know that we should serve and worship God alone. And in and through serving God and our purpose that God has made us for, we're able to find our true expression of work, which is the job or whatever we do on earth.
So knowing say you're a trained individual and you have
Yeah.
pursue or seeking a job, you have to just go with that foundation there and the mindset there, so boy, you have to use strength of Christ in terms of with your confidence in order towards moving towards the job.
Yes, because He will determine what it is you have to do. So let's look at two levels.
Yeah.
Someone is accomplished in life already, a big lawyer or a big doctor.
Yeah.
right? And then they find that their true calling perhaps is in teaching, or their true calling is in the arts, whether it be singing or dancing or writing or whatever it may be. Then through Christ they will find the strength in order to make that transition. And the time that it takes to make that transition and the training it takes to make that transition. Or someone could be somebody in high school, college, or somebody in another field, or in some other field.
Acquire skills.
Call center worker, no matter where you are, and you find your true calling in Christ is the doctor or lawyer.
Yeah.
So through the kingdom of God and his righteousness, we're able to find our purpose and the patience it takes to make the steps towards that.
So when you think about the person now where they're not work and not comfortably in another job, they want you able to move on, what your advice to them?
Okay. Sometimes you may be in the right place, you know, and sometimes you may be in the wrong place.
Yeah.
However, in seeking God and his righteousness, you know, we're able to withstand the pressures it takes to change.
But
yourself,
the job itself not cover.
Does not cover.
Even though it's not a case where you put your hat where you cannot reach. But
So
the mere fact say a job and the payment not sufficient and the time where you are put in, it not benefit, it not make no sense.
Okay, so in that instance, financially you're losing.
Yeah.
And emotionally and socially, you're on the losing end. You're basically in slave labor. Well, you have to still, sometimes you have to always wait on the Lord. Sometimes it just take a change. Can happen
But all the
overnight.
bills have to pay where them put themselves in by work and the bills have to pay, you know.
Yes.
And the time span in terms of with the bill, nobody it creditors them and the people them where rent the place now wait. People, we're not gonna hear more with Brother Al in them cases. Yeah, Brother Al. As when I say the people them now gonna wait in terms of dealing with them money. Right? Them are gonna just focus on getting them want them money. And you not earn the money because things get so difficult and the expense get higher. So upon the grounds there, all the people them were temporary. And coming now it's January, I come and everybody I say things are gonna change. Them are gonna lose their job. Then I say no renewing documentation with them contract with them have and then something. What you have to say about those people?
Okay, in that same instance, you know, you see whatever desire you're sure God put in your heart,
Yeah.
you have to seek it in prayer and follow through.
Yeah.
So if it is that you're in that same situation, bills and the work are come to an end, so to speak, and so many things against you, and in seeking the Lord in prayer, you see an opportunity, for example, say, all right, you should try to go abroad. All right, you should try to go for a job where you're gonna get bonus potential for have a bonus, even if it's a step down. But if wherever and whatever the Lord lead you to, once and you're sure in your heart that this is what the Lord lead you to, make the step out in faith and go forth and do that.
Because the person where don't have you temporary over a period, knowing that the constitution we have to do with work in Jamaica, Ministry of Labour make notes about 3 to 6 months you can do in any environment. Temporary. Beyond that point, you're supposed to be permanent, and you're there the same way for years, right? You have to know within yourself, say boy, you have to believe, say boy, when you step out,
you're gonna receive what you already asked for. Because you have to pray, believing that you're gonna receive what you asked for.
Yeah, because if you pray and not believe in what you're saying, it come like a waste of time.
Yeah, so you have to seek God by believing that He is, and that He rewards them who diligently seek Him. So a big part of the diligently seeking God is to believe, to have that faith
so
that
people,
this is what God wants.
On a year where Brother Pastor Allah say, so no focus in another year of there, get in on the prayer, more focusing on the prayer, and see Christ. You get me? And move in a direction where you think feasible and suitable for you, and believe so you can be able to do this and matriculate and be a better person in job. You see me? So, want to just stay tuned, people, and just make sure you subscribe to Clark TV. Bless up. So Ethan, what do you think there now?
Well, the thing on the flip side are almost done in, you know. We're going to do the salting segment. So.
How much oil at? Quarter pound or a pound of oil?
No, I'm not even in a pound, them do it, you know. This mark little gel. So more know they must have one big gel.
Yeah.
But this package mark little gel.
Boy, you don't look at it.
Yeah, so maybe
so
they
the
have
island come more time.
yeah,
now.
maybe they have one big jail. So
I know so poor people alone buy island in other farm.
yeah, another farmer time.
People for know these things.
Yeah, for real, man.
So we just deal with this and as we eat and say like a little jail.
Yeah.
You know? So we are move on to the thing called the flour completo. You see me? Ready for belly, you know.
Yeah. So
Boy, I'm hungry, you know, sir.
yeah, man, I never deal with the program, man. Everybody's so full, man. That's my pleasure, you know, to see people eat.
Yeah, so man.
And they full.
Right now, I
Enjoy
feel
themselves.
no eating now go on and niam. You see me? Yeah.
For real, man.
Got me the pan.
One of them things, them, man.
Yeah, people. You see how the thing here look. Nice to go coloring. This look like a house painting. Yeah. You know, so we have to go deal with this, you know. Yeah, lovely. Right name, Frank's sister? Frank Porter.
Yeah, I'm a friend's sister. Nana's sister, another
Yeah.
part.
Fight with the thing, people. And I can't chicken, you know. Likewise, I can't pork with one wipe on it, so you don't see how the thing go. We have to just make sure we enjoy the food and you know, say, Uncle Ethan, you put in the secret formula in
Oh, yeah, do, man. Sometimes you have to hide and put it in the car. You will get some question here about
you
it.
see that? Uncle
Yeah.
Ethan either put in the secret formula, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, this a man have a look of formula, them, you know, man, and we now launch them. You see it?
You know, family heirlooms are what you want to call it. Family secret.
Yeah.
Can't let it go.
Because you know, so everybody in a granny zone, you know.
Yes, yeah. We are the man.
For people, when you know, so boy, we can't wait for this. And you know, we could get to deal with it. Yeah, so just stay tuned. Yes, brother Ethan. Yeah, so the thing there, people. Yeah, biddly bomb.
Yeah.
Biddly bomb.
Just to make you all look out.
Look a bit more, simmer down.
Ah.
Simmer down. Control your temper.
Foundation tune, you know?
Yeah, you see it.
In positiveness.
Yes, brother Al. Like how we done sort out the food and trust me, it's amazing. It's another amazing on the field cooking with brother Ethan and we have to big him up. Boy, me I tell you. Yeah.
I just
you
one of
see
them
it.
things, man. It's
And people see one of a nice lady here. Yeah, you see it. She never out for the place, so you don't know. Yeah, brother Al, what me I say?
Yeah.
More I hear some line of strong argument we are going towards some relationship going forward. Jay, put down that ball, yeah.
Yeah,
So
man.
what kind of intention you have going forward with the relationship thing?
Alright, with relationships now, you want to maintain strong and healthy and godly relationship.
Yeah.
So in order to do so, it's all about love, respect and forgiveness.
So at that you are going to venture through?
Yeah man, I forgot you love, respect
So
and
you are going to look
forgiveness.
towards in terms of dropping something from one of your left finger or something?
Well, you know, as Brother Ethan did say, we allow the Lord to decide that. And once he has decided that, I'm sure it will be a good thing for me to choose as such.
As well, I can tell you, brother, Al, shine your shoes and relax your brain because that is forthcoming. You get what I say? Brother Ethan, how you see it?
Well, in my
Remember, you'd say you're going to marry again, you know?
yes, man. That's something what me have in my head, man. How you say, man? God make a beautiful creature like a woman, and me don't want to be with one. What do you, man? That's something what have to happen, man, and happen and do the right thing.
Yeah.
You see me I say, but relationship, it's all about you and the significant other being respectful and
committed.
loving. And love one another like how Jesus did love the church.
And the children.
And the children them. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
It's all about respect and honor. And as we me did say a couple time ago in a few of the podcasts where we have when me that get married, a certain person tell me say, hold on for your wife hand. And you see that space there, we're in the middle like 2 hours. Not even a hand snuffy crawl in there.
Yeah.
Me and her are supposed to have dialogue. Any problems we have, me and her have to work it out. Not care that I go give nobody, not show nobody, because we supposed to work it out. Father said when we come together, we become one.
Yeah.
So we are more than a union. We're a complete package. So, yeah, man, me I got married again, man. Away as a man. It's a beautiful thing, man. You
So
know,
people don't know, sir.
it's just unfortunate that the first one I never work out because me I tell myself from me a teenager say, at one time I was married, you know.
Ethan, with them food that we are cooking, you know, if any one of them lady ever taste none of them food there, you know, you're
How
gone,
dear,
you know.
man.
I go to England, you live.
I learn to do them things, man.
So
I mean, some
people-
man clean house and wash up plate and all these things.
You
Can't
clearly
make sure
want to
alone.
hear what brother Ethan has said.
She can't. I can't make sure alone everything.
It's like a Mr. Lily.
It's a union, you know.
Yeah.
Me cock up foot and watch TV and she'll do everything. No.
No, Mr. Lily have your work done.
When me and her work, I will clean up the place and bathe and if any little thing can go on later on, it will we
Wash
can over tired.
it, cook it,
Yeah.
in a Mr. Lily.
And clean it.
Yeah. So people are living with that.
Yes, man.
Yeah,
Oh,
out
yes,
and
man.
good and big up on yourself.
Yeah.
And see, look at the young baby, I know, me have to make you see one of the nice lady, look how youngster, I know, where name?
Kaden.
Oh, Kaden, big up yourself, yes, and remember, right at Clark TV football, you start out. So family, take care, and one love to you all. Blessed love.